Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about tokenization and know how large language model or LLM read languages. So let's start. Introduction. Large language models or LLMs such as ChatGPT, Llama, GPT-4, they do not understand the word or the text as the human does. LLMs process human language with some tokens. Therefore, in this video, we are going to understand what tokens are and the process of tokenization. What are tokens? Human language, it consists of words, grammars, punctuations, and its meaning. However, the neural networks operate only on numerical vectors. Hence, before training, the text must be converted into numerical units called the tokens. Therefore, a token is the fundamental unit of text processed by a language model. It is very important for an AI to process information. Tokens can be whole words, subwords, phrases, punctuation, spaces, characters. That is, a token is not always a word. It can be whole word, subwords, punctuation, spaces, and so on. A word may be splitted into smaller parts depending on tokenizer. For example, here is the sentence, artificial intelligence is powerful. The possible tokens for this sentence are like this. Artificial intelligence is and power and full. So the above sentence is divided into like these tokens. Here we can notice that the word powerful is divided into power and full because the model can reuse this to many other words such as useful, meaningful, helpful, and so on. What is tokenization? Tokenization is the fundamental process of converting text into smaller and standardized units called tokens. Tokens can represent words, subwords, characters depending on the tokenization method. Tokenization method transforms original sentences to numerical vectors that neural network can process. Therefore, the process of tokenization acts as a medium between machine and human language. Types of tokenization. There are three types of tokenization: word tokenization, character tokenization, subword tokenization. Word tokenization. This method splits text into individual words. This is common method and it is effective for language like English where there is a clear word boundaries. For example, the sentence AI is powerful becomes AI is powerful. Sometimes they can also be like AI is power and then next is full. So this is how word tokenization happens. Character tokenization. This method splits text into individual characters including spaces, punctuation, symbols, and letters. This is beneficial for handling typos, unknown words, spelling correction, and so on. For example, AI is tokenized like this. Subword tokenization. Modern LLMs mainly use subword tokenization. This method balances between word and character tokenization by breaking down text into smaller and meaningful units based on the pattern during training period. It helps model handle out of vocabulary OOV words. This tokenization method is popular in large language models such as GPT and BERT. For example, the word unhappiness is splitted into unhappy and ness. Tokenization algorithms. Some of the tokenization algorithms used in LLMs are byte pair encoding, BPE, word piece, sentence piece. Let's see tokenization example in LLM workflow. In fact, LLM, they do not generate sentences at once. They repeatedly predict the next token and build the responses step by step. The pipeline is, first, the text is converted into standardized text, such as converting sentences to lowercase or removing punctuations and so on. Then the process of tokenization occurs. After that, all the splitted tokens are represented by token IDs. Then embedding happens. It is then transferred to a transformer model. At last, the process goes for the next token prediction. So this is the overall pipeline of the LLM workflow. Why token matters in LLM? Token does matters in LLM because it affects performance, model memory, computation cost. In LLM, every prediction happens token by token. Hence, the cost and the generation speed directly depend upon the number of the tokens used. There are different challenges in tokenization. Some of them are handling emojis, symbols and special characters, multilingual tokenization complexity, token fragmentation, language dependency, handling out of vocabulary words or OOV, efficiency and computational cost. Use cases of tokenization. Tokenization is critical in numerous applications including machine translation, speech recognition, search engines, information retrieval. Okay, this is all for tokenization. We understand that tokens are unit of text. Tokenization is the process of splitting text into small tokens. Then these tokens are represented by different index numbers and they are converted into numerical vectors that LLM understands. Then LLM predicts next token. Therefore, tokenization is the process that converts human language into machine representation, which enables LLMs to generate text more effectively. This is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.